Uh, so, okay. So, did you play outside? Oh, so you were happy for today? Hmm? Hmm? Ah, I see. So do you already drink your milk for tonight? Yeah? Okay. So, oh, you drink plenty of milk? Huh? You drink plenty of milk? Hmm? Ah, so little bit only. Okay. And then you drink water also. Oh, okay. So, do you go to SM this afternoon? Hmm? No? 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 Uh, oh, what? What happened? Oh, so you enjoy just right here. You enjoy in the house. You're staying in the house and you did enjoy. Yeah. Am I right? Hmm? Am I right? No? So, sige, tell me more. Tell me more of what you do this day. Oh, you're shy. Come on, don't be shy. Be talkative. Mm. So, wait, what is that? What is that? And did Kayla come here? Did Kayla visit you? Huh? No? Kayla? Ate Kayla? Yung Ate Kayla? Did Ate Kayla visit you? Huh? Oh? Ah, you're sleeping ano? You're sleeping ano? Sige na. You go to sleep na. Ha? Ha? You go to sleep na? Yeah, sleep. Hmm? Hmm. Don't laugh at me, ha? You go to sleep na? Di palo ang be. Ay, ay. Oy. You don't know that, no? Be, ikaw be. You do that. You know how to make the sound? No? 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 This one. You want? Mana?